Hey Tigers, Ms. Schwartz here. So this is Group 6 Concept Review Cards for Kit 2. Let me share my screen. Remember, these are important to review more than one time. So you should be getting in a habit of doing your review cards often, and I will be increasing this for you. Let me move myself down here. Actually, I'm going to come up to this upper right corner so it's easier for me to look. Remember, you look and listen. A digraph is two letters in the same syllable that stand for one sound. Medial n is pronounced ng before k and g sounds. Final ng is spelled digraph ng as in king. I'll get the hang of this. Medial ng before k and g is spelled in as in sink. C is pronounced k before A, O, and any consonant. When two consonants stand between two sounded vowels, the word usually divides between the consonants, and the accent most frequently falls on the first syllable. Initial or medial k is spelled K before I. Initial or medial k is spelled C before A, O, and any consonant. So that concludes, I'm going to stop my screen. That concludes our Kit 2 concept review cards. Have a great day.